Are you tired of setting unrealistic weight loss goals for yourself? Do you find yourself constantly failing to achieve your desired weight loss because your expectations were too high? You are not alone. Many people struggle with setting realistic weight loss goals, and this can lead to feelings of discouragement, frustration, and failure. However, setting realistic weight loss goals is the key to achieving long-term success in your weight loss journey. In this video, we will discuss the importance of setting realistic weight loss goals, how to set them, and how to stay motivated throughout your journey. So let's get started. Why is it important to set realistic weight loss goals? Before we dive into the specifics of setting realistic weight loss goals, it's essential to understand why is it crucial. Firstly, setting unrealistic goals can lead to burnout, frustration, and even injury. Suppose you aim to lose an excessive amount of weight within a short period. In that case, you might resort to unhealthy behaviors such as extreme dieting, over-exercising, or even taking weight loss supplements. These behaviors can put your health at risk and lead to long-term complications. Secondly, setting realistic goals helps you maintain your motivation throughout your weight loss journey. When you set realistic goals, you can see progress over time, which can boost your confidence and inspire you to keep going. Lastly, setting realistic goals helps you create healthy habits and you can maintain long after you have reached your ideal weight. How to set realistic weight loss goals? Now that we understand why it's important to set realistic weight loss goals, let's discuss how to set them. Firstly, start by identifying your long-term weight loss goals. Do you want to lose 50 pounds or 20 pounds or 10 pounds? Once you have identified your long-term goal, break it down into smaller, achievable goals. For example, if your long-term goal is to lose 50 pounds, break it down into smaller goals of 5 or 10 pounds at a time. This makes your goals feel more attainable and less daunting. Secondly, set a realistic time frame for achieving your goals. Losing weight too quickly is not sustainable and can lead to negative health consequences. Set a time frame that allows you to lose weight at a healthy and sustainable pace. Lastly, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying I want to lose weight, say I want to lose 5 pounds in next 2 months by following a healthy diet and exercise plan. Next, how to stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. Setting realistic weight loss goals is only the first step. Staying motivated throughout your journey is equally important. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated. Firstly, find a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your weight loss journey. Join a support group or find a workout buddy. Secondly, track your progress. Seeing progress over time can be a significant motivator. Use a journal, a weight loss app, or a fitness tracker to track your progress. Lastly, celebrate your success. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small, can help keep you motivated. Reward yourself for reaching your goals with non-food rewards such as new workout outfit, a massage, or a day at a spa. In conclusion, setting realistic weight loss goals is essential to achieving long-term success in your weight loss journey. Remember to break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable goals. Set a realistic time frame and make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. Staying motivated throughout your journey is also important. Find support system, track your progress, and celebrate your success. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.